In this video I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up some conversation, and in order to delete one single message you have to do the following. You have to hold down on that message until it comes up. Here hit more and there hit on unsend. Now select unsend this message for everyone or just for you. I'll select unsend for everyone and then hit OK. Now here you see that there is a notification that you unsent a message, and now you can unsend one more message if you want. Unfortunately, you can unsend or delete all the messages in conversation at once, but you can go back to chats and there hold down on the conversation, and when it comes there hit delete to delete all the conversation. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.